Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to transfer money from Mango Wallet to Tigo Money. This lets you move funds quickly and securely between these two popular mobile money platforms. Let's get started. First, open your Mango Wallet app. Log in with your phone number and password or biometric authentication to access your account. Next, go to the Send Money or Transfer section. From the dashboard, select the option to send funds to another mobile wallet or account. Then, enter the Tigo Money details. Input the recipient's phone number or Tigo Money account information accurately, along with the amount you want to send. After that, review the transaction. Check the recipient details, transfer amount, and any applicable fees before proceeding to ensure everything is correct. Next, confirm and authorize the transfer. Tap Send or confirm and complete any security verification required, such as a PIN or OTP code. Finally, verify the transfer. Check your Mango Wallet transaction history to confirm the money has been sent. Ask the recipient to confirm the funds have arrived in their Tigo Money account. Quick tips. Always double-check the recipient's details to avoid sending money to the wrong account. Be aware of transfer fees and limits in both Mango Wallet and Tigo Money. Keep your transaction receipt for reference in case of any issues. Transferring from Mango Wallet to Tigo Money is fast, secure, and convenient when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.